Alright, just got back from another bike ride. First ride, real ride with the new motor. 450 watt, 24 volt. Still got the 36 volt battery. Went 20.4 miles. Voltage dropped down to 34.5. That's probably because I was on the motor quite a bit more than I normally am. And reason for that is I usually just let it go till it tops out. You're not going to top it out in this configuration. I was going at about 24 miles an hour, and that was with letting off the throttle. I think my average pace is 16.7, something like that, which is about 4 miles an hour higher than what I normally do. This thing is super fast, people. Super fast. On the flats, it'll do somewhere between 27, 28 miles an hour, maybe a little bit more than that. Downhill, you can't give it enough. I was doing almost 30 miles an hour, and I could hit the accelerator and it'd still want to spin up. So it's way faster than what I intended for it to be. Gonna have to do a little bit of modifications, I think, to try to bring the power down just a little bit on it. It's a little bit more than what I wanted. If you want a fast bike, this is it. You got a 500 watt controller, 450 watt motor, 24 volts, 36 volt battery. It'll fly. No doubt about it, it'll fly.